targets ninyo for this day?
Well, sa akin, mahirap magsalita kasi parang tinataas ko yung sarili kong bangko dahil ako yung nag-cross. No?
Yes,
But I was happy with the way Cross went. I really wanted Cross to be fast. No? Kasi we've been at this witness for 2 days now. In fact, magkaka-third day pa tomorrow for the interpellation of the Honorable Senator Judges. So, to be very frank with you, ayoko na talagang patagalin. I just focus on the points that I wanted to highlight at nilabas naman natin yun. Now, as to whether it was effective or not, again, ayokong magsalita dahil kung magbubuhat ako sa sarili kong bangko, we will just leave that to the appreciation of the Senator Judges.
At isa sa mga pinunto niyo, sir, yung 11 days na pagkaso.
Yes. At factually, umamin naman yung witness na hindi naman nila naging finding yun.
Attorney started